Welcome to AUTO24 Rwanda, where your car buying experience is made easy, simple, and stress-free. From the moment you walk in, our team is here to guide you through every step of your car buying journey. Our front desk connects you with a dedicated sales advisor who listens to your needs and helps you find the right vehicle. Whether it's electric, new, or used. We assist with the full buying process, from vehicle selection to documentation, financing options, insurance facilitation, and clear warranty coverage. You can explore our range freely, ask questions, compare options, and choose with confidence. With open test drives, we let you experience the car before you decide, so you make an informed and confident purchase. Behind the scenes, our operations team carefully inspects every vehicle. Whether we're buying or selling, ensuring quality, safety, and top performance. At AUTO24, we're a dynamic team that cares not just about the cars we offer, but the customers we serve.